In this video, we are going to see how we can change our phone number or add the phone number on the Facebook profile that we have. So what you can do is just first of all switch over to your profile, and then we go to the about section and we scroll all the way down to the contact info. And from here, we have already added the phone number, but this is the WhatsApp number. We click on this phone number option and it will take us to this account center automatically. We click on add a new contact, add a mobile number. From here, we can change the country code to whatever we have, and we simply add the number and the profile that is associated with it. We just need to check this, click next. And if it asks you to use the passkey, we will just enter the passkey that we have recently set, and it will again ask you to re-enter the password. Click continue. We just enter the password and it will send the confirmation code after that on that particular number, so that it can be confirmed that this is in your possession. You just enter the confirmation code, hit next, and you should be able to see the number added on your profile. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.